like that. Very good. So guys, I'm just gonna, these are the onions that I'm gonna cut in it. The curry goat. So we're gonna do curry goat today, guys. The peas on the fire. So this is the carrot, guys. I'm gonna scrape the carrot and then wash it off. So it's all scraped and washed off. So I'm gonna go ahead and slice it. Alright. So I'm just gonna go ahead and strip this scallion and come back. So I'm gonna put some powder seasoning on it. Some all-purpose seasoning. Then I'm gonna put the curry. So guys, I'm just gonna take a little cooking oil on it to make it take the season. So guys, I'm gonna cut up the garlic.
Yes.
Then put in the thyme. Cut some more scallion. Put some.
I want water. I want water.
Yeah, hold on.
Mommy, you're not drinking water. Come on. Where are you going?
Hold on, this one get your water.
Water. It's a bun.
Then I'm gonna cut the ginger.
Auntie, you not give me water. I tell you, not give me water. I tell you, give me water.
So guys, this pepper
Water.
hot. So I'm
Water.
gonna cut. Shit,
Ow,
nearly cut off my hand, guys.
ow.
So
Question. You still never carry them come because you still let me come late. You
so
never carry them come. If you ever carry them come, you carry them come early every time you go go it in the evening.
so gonna season that.
I want it up right now.
So guys, mixing everything, and
Don't wait.
I'm gonna put it on the pot to hot. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cover this. Yeah. So that's the curry goat on the fire. Yes guys, so I'm just gonna let it get some color, and then I put in the rest of seasoning and everything. Look at this, guys. And I don't throw any water in it. Like that. Very good. Guys, a long time I'm gonna eat goat, years I'm gonna eat goat, so I'm gonna try it and hope it don't affect me. So I'm just gonna cover the pot. So this is the peas. I'm gonna go ahead and blend the coconut, then I get back to you guys. So guys, I just pour some water inside the pot, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cover it and allow it to finish cook. So guys, this is the coconut. I'm just gonna cut it up and then put it in the blender to blend. Alright, so guys, this is how I cut them up. So I'm gonna pour them in the blender. Look at that coconut juice, guys. Look at that. Yummy.
Jordan, come. We are wash out our marina that we can wear tomorrow.
Squeezing the juice.
Chelsea and Granny have it up style up with the young girl.
Nothing can get super speed.
So guys, I'm just squeezing the juice out. Sorry about the noise in the background. So guys, then also have to finish squeezing the juice out. You want to go ahead and place back some of the trash inside the juice so it help to season the pot the right and proper way. So I'm all done. So guys, put in the water, the seasoning. Maybe it's a cook. So this is the coconut juice. I'm just gonna allow it to reach a boiling point before I season it. So guys, I just put some sweet pepper inside the pot. Just put some sweet pepper. So I'm just gonna allow this to cook down further. So guys, I already seasoned the rice and peas. Put in my scallion, my thyme, my garlic and all that, and I put a little nutmeg in it. So if you want your pot to taste different from any other person rice and peas, just put a little nutmeg in it. Yes guys, so I'm gonna wash the rice and put in. So this is 3 pounds of rice, guys. I'm just gonna pick it, then wash it and put it in the pot. So I'm gonna wash it. Alright, so guys, I just put the rice in. So I stir it around. So I'll cover it. So guys, my curry goat is coming on. Jamaican authentic curry goat. So this is how to cook curry goat, guys. Yeah. Look at that, guys. Look at my rice and peas coming on. Yeah. Look at my rice and peas, guys. Look at that. Looking real yummy. Jamaican authentic rice and peas. The best in the world. Look at that, guys. Finally finished cooking. And everything. And then this is the meat finished cook.
You decide if you're ever gonna let me know. Yeah.